Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of holiday makeup inspiration. In today's video I want to share with you a quick way to achieve a nice, bold and in the same time subtle makeup look, perfect for holiday season and perfect for any location that you want to celebrate Christmas or New Year's Eve. As you can see, my face and eyebrows are already prepped. If you guys want to know how I did this, you can always click on this video. I'll try to attach it in here, or else you can just check my description down below where you can see a very explicit tutorial on how I do my skin, my face makeup, contouring, highlighting and all that stuff. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be aware every time I post a new video. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, just make sure you keep on watching. So my eyelids are already prepped. I'm just gonna check if there is any extra base or concealer over there. And I'm gonna go in with a transition color, which is a little bit orangey. I'm gonna blend it into my crease. But I'm not going to apply a lot of it just because in today's makeup I just wanna go a little bit bolder with the lips. So I'm just applying one shade and diffuse it very well onto my crease and to my outer corners of my eyes, my eyelid, but I'm not going into the inner corner. And I'll show you why. Of course, I'm as usual extending it towards the temples of my forehead, just because I prefer to have a more lifted effect. You guys can do it on the round side if you prefer that instead. Now I'm going to do the same on my other eye. I'm gonna blend it nicely. This color reminds me of cinnamon for some reason. I can smell it. I love all about Christmas, and you know there is that specific smell of Christmas. I don't know if you guys get me. I'm usually buying candles with that smell just to make me feel like, like I'm living in a cool country with lots of snow, because as you may probably know, I'm living in Dubai and there's no winter in here. So just to make me feel like cozy and to feel that holidays are coming, I'm doing a little bit extra with the smell, with the scent in my house. Alright, now that I did this transition color everywhere, it looks like this and it's enough for me. Now with a smaller brush I'm gonna apply the same color on the bottom lash line or on the bottom eyelid, if that's how you can call it too, just very slightly, just to kind of make it connected to your top part of your eyeshadow. I'm doing the same on the other side. Blend, blend, blend. If you already watched the previous makeup look for the holidays, you might notice that it's a bit similar in regarding the steps. So now I'm going to apply a champagne highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, just to make it look more bright and fresh. And now I'm doing the same under my eyebrow, just slightly, and with my finger I'm kind of blending it even more so there will not be a very shimmery under eye area, because I don't really like that effect. I just want it to look a bit more glowy. Yeah, I think that's enough. Next I'm going in with a coppery eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eyelids. I'm pressing it down. Since it's a bit glittery, you need to make sure it's not gonna fall on the face, especially if you did your face makeup first. So I'm just slightly and gently pressing this product into my eyelids, and I'm gonna stop it at about halfway. I'm just focusing with the product in the inner parts. I'm gonna try to reapply a little bit more, but this time with my finger, just to see if it's getting more intense and more buttery, and it does. I love that more. You know, guys, some eyeshadows you can't really apply them with a brush, like especially the shimmery ones. Some of them, once you put the brush on them, they start to fly. I don't know why. Look at this color, it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna go with my finger on the other side. I'm not gonna use the brush because I don't want to mess up my face makeup. To avoid this, you can also wet your brush with a fixing spray before that, but I don't have it right now. So I'm just gonna apply it with my finger and stem. Look at this, how easily it applies with fingers. So yeah, as I was saying, some of the eyeshadows are made for some reason in a way that you can't really apply them with a brush. So unfortunately, for those who have an OCD, especially if they're doing the makeup on clients, not on themselves, that can be, you know, disturbing because they don't want to put their fingers in anyone's eyes. Even though I applied it with my finger, it still had some fallouts. Doesn't matter how much I try to be careful. I'm just gonna swipe it off like that. Next, I'm going in with a liquid liner, just because I feel that eyeliner always saves the situation. So I'm just gonna stop talking, apply it with my eyes open, but I'm not gonna do a very thick one, same as I did on my previous holiday makeup. I'm gonna do it more simple and more natural, just for you girlies who don't really like huge eyeliners. Trying to keep a normal face. I'm usually doing very weird faces when I'm doing my liner, but I'll keep reminding myself that people are watching me. Ooh, I like that. Alright, so we're done with the eyeliner. I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes a little bit. Sorry if that will look weird to you. Every time my husband sees me doing that, he's terrified. He thinks I'm mutilating myself. Now I'm going in with mascara. Alright, so I decided to not put lashes. I feel like it looks quite nice. And I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to line my lips using this pencil. I'm firstly lining them, and then I'm going to fill them in with the same pencil. God, that's such a pretty color. You know, to be honest, I feel like, okay, this is not sponsored, right? Make Forever lip pencils. I swear to you, they are my top favorite lip pencils in the world. Like, I can't without them, you know. I have them in almost every color that I like. I feel they're amazing and they last such a long time, and you can use them just as a lipstick, you know. You don't really need to go back with another like lipstick on top of them. They're blending so nicely and they last a really long time. I really love them. Like, I love you guys. If you guys can see me, if you guys at Makeup Forever see these videos, I just want to say I love you from the bottom of my heart. Alright, so now I'm gonna blot the excess product from my lips using a tissue, just because I want the lipstick to be super intense on top of it. Alright, so now that I apply the lip pencil, I present you the cherry on the cake. Look at how pretty this lipstick is, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed. I don't even want to use it, to be honest, because I don't want to damage it. Alright, time to apply it. I'm super excited. It's super creamy in the same time. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is my simple but in the same time bold holiday inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys will recreate it, please tag me. I really want to see how you guys did it on yourselves. That being said, thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video.